How to build a non-blocking LED sequencer and push to toggle button. First, we'll install the LEDs, add the push button, and the resistors. We'll connect the common ground to all the LEDs and the button. Next, we'll wire up the pins we need and connect the 3-volt power supply to the button. After that, let's create a new project. We'll set the pins to input and output modes. And finally, let's write our code. Now it's time to build and run the program. And let's see a final code and a final result.